Good morning, Standard 9, subject English. Yesterday, we learned part of the lesson. Today, I will give you passage on that part. So, question number 3, read the following passage carefully and complete the activities. A1, simple factual activity. Read the sentence and find out correct answer from the alternatives given below. First sentence, the dash was a round little man with a red face. The teacher, the country inspector, the county inspector. Second sentence, Margie hated most all the dash where she had to put homework and test papers. The teacher, the slow. Third sentence, large and black and ugly is the description of the dash. The teacher. Second alternative, the inspector. Fourth, Margie had hoped the inspector wouldn't know how to dash. Take the teacher apart, put the teacher together. So passage number 3, page number 6 and 7. He was a round little man with a red face dash sector and blanked out completely. A2, complex factual activity. Arrange the following sentence in order of the occurrence. There are 4 sentences. She wrote them out in a punch code. All the lessons were shown and questions were asked on the screen. Third sentence, the country inspector took the teacher apart and then put it together again. Fourth sentence, the mechanical teacher calculated the marks. So, correct the घटना क्रमानुसार मांडणी करा. Then second question, what was the fault with the mechanical teacher? How was the fault repaired? A3, vocabulary based activity. Write what the following sentence would mean today and what they mean in context of the story. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Second sentence, they had taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. Meaning today and meaning context of the story. Now second question, write at least 10 words related to family. So this is the second question. And A4, grammar language study based activity. Rewrite the following using complete words instead of constructed forms. First sentence, I have slowed it up. Second sentence, she wouldn't know. Third sentence, that wasn't so bad. Fourth sentence, it's not the little girl's fault. So second sentence, second question, underline the verb and choose the correct option from the brackets. First sentence, he patted Margie's head, in bracket present tense past tense. Second sentence, he gave her an apple, in bracket present tense past tense. Third sentence, those things happen sometimes, in bracket present tense past tense. And fourth sentence, her progress is satisfactory, present tense past tense. So next question, personal response. Do you like to take tests? Give the reason for your answer. So solve this passage in your notebook as well as in your workbook and complete it. Read by her. We stop.